G'day viewers, Chris Atkins here. Welcome back to my channel, the Car Wash Chronicles. I'm looking like a complete idiot with this hat on, but it's serving a good purpose because we're gonna get burnt. And I'm a white, freckly, pasty boy. Quiet! Trying to make a video. But in this video, we gotta fix the ground because the concrete is messed up and it's been bothering me for years. So the day's finally come. I've decided to pull the trigger and we're gonna fix the ground because you'll see. Let me show you.
We're gonna make the ground brand new again.
So you're gonna do the ground and make it brand new.
Brand new again.
That doesn't work in the same sentence.
It's gonna be brand new. Keep watching.
So there it is. Clearly you can see it's a messed up bit of concrete. You know, it's been there for years and I've just kind of had enough of it. So it's time to fix it. Basically, we're just going to use the rotary hammer. We're just going to dig it all out and fill it in with new concrete. So that's the plan. There's already an outline for it. So that makes it nice and easy. We don't have to cut it. So we're just going to start digging, and it's been busy. It's a Thursday and it's been packed all day. All bays are full right now, and that's the goal, to have full bays at the car wash. But let's go ahead and continue jacking up this ground.
So the reason I want to do this so bad right now is because it's right out the front of the bay, and when people wash their car, obviously water comes out and it kind of just pools here, especially when it rains. It leaves a nice pool for Edwin to swim in. But it's pretty hot actually. It's probably about 83. So we're sweating our tushes off. I thought you said this section was difficult.
Well, it looks like you're having a hard time, bro.
No, it's easy.
Well, I'm recording and I can tell.
So you can see it's right out the front of the car wash. So once it's all done and nice, it's gonna make the car wash look better. It's not really gonna bring more customers. That comes back to the in-bay equipment, of course, but you know, why not make it nice? Stop the pooling of the water as well. Bays are wet. It's been busy for a Thursday. It's actually been really busy, non-stop. So finally got a break where we can start doing this. Had a couple of cars waiting before, so now it's slowed down, which is good. It's about lunchtime and we can get to work. Coming along a little better now. So how you feeling right now? We're almost done, 90%.
I feel like Mike Tyson.
You feel like Mike Tyson?
My back is broken. Spinal. Looks like your country.
Looks like my country?
Yeah. Guatemala. Oh no, you're from Australia, right?
I don't know about Australia. It does look like a state though. Some state from America. What do you guys think?
California.
Montana? South Dakota? So there it is, the finished project, finished result. Finished project, that doesn't mean much. So let's go ahead and fill it in. So mixing a cake. And it's always nice when people come around and bring you food.
Mango, chicle, coco con nuez,
Deme chicle.
fresa.
Deme chicle. El siguiente. So good.
So good? How good?
So good.
It's gonna cool you
So
down.
good, yeah.
Nice break.
Yeah.
I'm gonna get mango. Oh yeah. It's like peeing on ice. All right, we got our cold drink. We're about to tip this concrete in. What flavor did you get?
I got vanilla.
Vanilla?
This ring it's called raspado. Raspado. I know for the Hispanic audience out there, I'm pretty sure they know what I'm talking about.
Okay, because I don't have a clue. What is it? Raspado?
Raspado, yeah.
Raspado. Cheers.
Cheers from Cancun to you guys.
We'll go ahead and tip it in then, son. We don't need no shovel. Funny if you got stuck in there.
I got brain freeze.
Oh, he's got brain freeze. That's what you get. So we're gonna write something in it?
Yeah.
What do you want to write?
We can put something like motivation. We can put like the best car wash in the high desert.
I like it. The best car wash in the high desert. I'll take it. Or just Car Wash Chronicles. And also, guys, just to let you know, I will be at the Car Wash Show in Nashville, Tennessee. Let's see, Monday, May 13th and 14th, I believe it is. So I will be there. So anyone, if you see me there, come say hi. I will be at the MONEXgroup booth. So come by, let's have a chat, talk about car washes, teach you some stuff. You can teach me some stuff because there's a lot of things I don't know. So let's all just mingle and have a big car wash party. May 13 and 14, this month actually, in a couple of weeks. Nashville, Tennessee, the Car Wash Show. I'll see you guys there.
Don't record my butt. Record here.
All right, go ahead. Tip it in. That's the quick and easy way to do it. Instead of trying to shovel every scoop in, just dump it in. Here we go again. Do it. Don't know if that was necessary, just throw the whole thing in, but I tell you, it's been non-stop all day. The customer leaves, another one pulls in. It's been non-stop, so it's been good. That'll be paying for this. In one pocket, out the other. Out of my pocket into yours. Taking a leak. You done yet? What's taking so long?
Because I'm making the perfect mix.
It's been about 45 minutes later. Let's go check on Edwin and see how he's doing. He better be done. How's it going, senor? Wow, look at that. Looks pretty damn good. Pretty good to me. What do you think? Do you like it?
I like it. I'm gonna be honest. I make the mix a little watery, but
A little watery?
yeah.
You know, for next time you can always
Yeah.
add more water, but you can't take it
Yeah. I
out.
mean, I like it.
Yeah. Pretty
From
good.
From 1 to 10, probably. I give it myself to. I would say 7.
Wow, he gave it a 7. So that's it. That's the finished result. We are done. We're gonna keep that blocked off till tomorrow when it's dry. How do you feel?
I feel great. I said I get paid.
Get paid? What are you talking about? No one's paying you for this.
It was a little hard, but at the end of the day, we got it done. So that's good.
With that being said, today is done. It's hot. We are out of here.
Thank you guys.
Thank you guys.
Keep watching.
Keep watching.